Hey, what's up guys? My name's Clayton J, and today I am 3 years on testosterone. Ayy, dude, it flew by. I think I started, I'll put the date somewhere on the screen. I know it was in 2019, and now it's 2022. Yeah, it's 2022. I first want to say before I get started in this video, first of all, subscribe, like, comment, all those things, look down in the description below. It has all my social media if you guys like my content. I've been on testosterone for 3 years, guys, and I have not gave myself my first shot, except for literally like 2 days ago when I had my testosterone shot day. I gave it to myself for the first ever. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. But yeah, obviously I did not record myself giving my shot because I feel like that would give me more like anxiety, like knowing that, okay, I have to get a good shot, make sure it's seeing the right part. Plus I don't want you guys to see my whole ass, and I just felt like I wasn't ready to record it. But I gave myself my first shot, and it was crazy. It actually hurt less giving myself my first shot than someone else giving it to me, probably because I knew when it was hit. Usually when other people give me shots, I like just let it go and then but yeah, it was awesome. And yeah, throw in my first ever testosterone shot video.
Red light now.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So do you want to put the needle in?
No.
No, in there.
No, because I feel like I'll break.
Okay.
Sideways,
or else you're gonna break it. They told me you can break. Don't touch me with that thing.
I'm not.
I watched Tranny to do this. Right there.
Okay, I don't know for sure if that's where it goes.
She just said anywhere on your leg. It has to go through the fat though, Cassie. Remember that.
I'm putting
Please
it in.
stop. Yes, you're putting it in. I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, are you putting it in?
Am I?
Yes.
I didn't sign up for this.
Yes,
don't
you
want
did.
to?
You walked in the door and signed up. Okay.
I'm moving stuff out of the way, okay? You can't flinch when we do this, okay?
Okay, wait. You can't back it.
I'm not! Okay, put your other foot up. You got this.
Wow!
So that was when I first had my first ever testosterone shot. I was crying. Dang, it took me like forever, and my girlfriend's sister gave me my first ever shot. And then after that, my girlfriend gave me my shot. And I would still be, like, it would still be scary, And even every single day, till now, still, I was still scared. But then I just was like, you know what, I need to give myself my first shot. Like, I just need to get it over with, And I did it. And it actually hurt less than any other times. And I did it in my thigh the first time when my girlfriend's sister did it. But that was wrong. Mostly because that's what my person told me to do, the real doctor. But no, it's too much muscle there that it hurts. My butt has like muscle and fat, so it doesn't hurt as much, because it's more bubbly, than like literally I'm like a walker, a runner, like I'm always on my legs, I'm pretty athletic for my bottom half. My top half, definitely could work out a little bit more, but my bottom half is really good, and all muscly, so it hurts more. But yeah, that's awesome. 3 years on testosterone. I want to first go on with voice comparison.
Clayton J, and I am 1 month on testosterone.
I'm 2 months on testosterone. I'm 3 months on testosterone. I'm 4 months on testosterone. 5 months on testosterone.
6 months on testosterone.
7 months on testosterone. 8 months on testosterone.
9 months on testosterone.
10 months on testosterone.
11 months on testosterone.
A year on testosterone.
2 years on testosterone.
3 years on testosterone.
All right, yeah, you saw that. That's awesome. Now let's do body comparison. I think I'm like 11 months post-op top surgery. This is it right now. Hey, look at that. Hey. This side, I'm still like not completely fond with it. Way happier than it looked before because it's obviously less thick, but I'm still a little sad because It's not as thin as this side, but it is what it is. It's because I'm left-handed and I'm always moving around doing things, so it's stretched a little bit, but it's not bad. It also has like a dog ear. If you guys can see, it has like a dog ear right here, and then it's kind of thick right here. But it is what it is. I can't change it. I'm not going to get another revision. There's no point to, because it is thicker. I'm just, you know, it's just me. And I know the longer it's on my body, it will heal more and fade more into my skin color, because right here you guys can't even see anything. And my nipples, I'm pretty happy with my nipples. I think the only thing is I need to lose some weight, mostly because if you saw pre top surgery, like a day before my top surgery, I took a picture of me. I'll put it up there. And I used to have abs, bro. Like I was perfect. Now I've gained a lot of weight. I'm very sad about that, but it is what it is, you know. It's life. It's my body. Obviously, if I really wanted to lose weight, I would actually work on it. I try to, but then I get demotivated really easily, mostly because I love food and I love cooking. I really love cooking, and that's why I'm a little chubby. But it is what it is. And yeah, what else is there? I'm gonna put in some video clips. I think that'd be cute from like pre-testosterone to now. I think that'd be a cute little thing.
Right now we are going to go get testosterone, my first testosterone shot today, finally. It took forever. This whole week has been going so freaking slow. We're finally getting it today. Today's the day. April 6, 2019, finally.
Hey guys, today's video is gonna be my 1 month on testosterone. Like, it doesn't even feel like I've been on testosterone for a month. Like, what the frickers? Like, I can hear my voice. Can you guys hear my voice? My voice is like low, 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 low. You guys, how's it going? Today I am here with my little gorillas. Look at all of them. I got one more. I got black, I got white. What you want? Hey, she left. This is my dog. Baby girl Molly. Oh, okay. There. She just boo. And then, you know, Polo, guys. Polo, my big dog. Alright, guys, so today I am 6 months on testosterone. Here they are. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Oh, my baby girl. My baby girl. And I wanted to make a video with them in it so we can always, like, re-look at them, you know? And be like, oh my goodness, because one day they're going to be this big. This big. Yo, what's up, guys? How's it frickin' going? Yeah, look at my eye bags. They're horrible. Oh my god, I'm about to tear up, guys. I hit 1,000 subscribers. Damn, like, it's weird. Like, yes, it's just numbers. I thought when I saw it, like, yesterday, this is when I saw it yesterday night, probably like 8 p.m. or something, and I was about to watch TV, and I'm like, wait, before I put my phone down for the night, I want to, like, look and just see how much subscribers I have. I look, and it's already 1,000. I'm like, no way, it blew my freaking mind. Like, so really, thank you for that. Like, I did not think I would be as happy as I was. Like, I thought, oh, it's just a number, but it actually was pretty happy, and it's probably because, like, it was like a goal of mine to hit 1,000. You know how hard it was just to get like 20 subscribers? How's it going? Today I am 1 freaking year on testosterone. And I am 2 years on testosterone. That is crazy. That's crazy. 2 years on testosterone. That flew by. Boom, boom. Flew by. Alright, you saw that. Now I'm going to do some pictures from pre-T to now. Oh yeah, like, you can just tell in the videos and in the pictures how more confident I look now and how happy I am with my body. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, I post shirtless pics all the time. I post pictures of my underwear all the time. It's because I'm proud of my body. Obviously, like, there's still some stuff that I think I dislike about my body. Obviously, there's always going to be, whether you're cisgender or transgender, there's always going to be parts what you don't like about your body and what you do like about your body. And I'm getting there. There's obviously some stuff I still don't like about my body, but I'm really getting there. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with my body now. I mean, I definitely need to lose this chub, but at the end of the day, it's not a lot. Mostly in a lot of pictures, I look skinny. Like, I feel like I kind of look skinny in this. But in real life, this is me in real life. But yeah, I'm really happy with everything, and being on testosterone helped me out 100%, being so happy in my body. And it's another thing amazing, guys, is how I grew a family making this YouTube channel. Like, I remember when I was preteen, I have a lot of comments, like, on this, or if you guys find me on TikTok, you guys find me on Instagram, or even Reddit. I made a Reddit, my name on Reddit, like,
Clayton J 17 exclamation or something like that. I'll put it up here somewhere so you guys can follow my Reddit too. And you guys are like, oh my god, I used to watch you, or I do watch you, or even in my YouTube channels, you're like, oh dude, I've been watching you since pre-testosterone, or like 2 years, 1 year, or 30 months, like anything like that. And it's just really cool, like knowing that I built a family doing this. Like I went from first making these videos, not knowing what I was doing, when I was like, I think I started when I was like 18, and I had unsupported family, and I had no one really to back me up to be here with me, and I gained you guys. Like also, I gain a lot of hate on these videos, but at the end of the day, like I don't care if I gain hate on these videos, because I also make a lot of people happy. I help people figure out a sexual orientation and gender identity. I help you guys figure that out, and I wish I had someone like me that I could watch these videos and be like, oh, okay, now I understand the difference between those, and I understand what I am, or I understand I'm questioning, and it's just awesome, guys. And I'm really happy to have you guys. I'm really happy for being able to stay right here, make these videos, gain a lot of family members off this, and it's awesome, yeah. I don't know what else I gotta tell you guys. All I gotta tell you guys is thank you for being here with me. And I had my top surgery. I'm 90% there, and anyone that's going through like watching this video and being like, oh, I wish I was you, I wish I got that far, and it's like, you know what, you'll get there someday. I never thought I'd be this far. I'm like 90, like not 90, I'm like halfway done with my transition. I need to get a hysterectomy, and then I don't know about tops. I don't know about bottom surgery yet. I might get it, might not. I still don't know yet, but definitely want a hysterectomy, and after that, I'm like pretty much like 80% done, and then it's either bottom surgery or I don't want bottom surgery. It just depends, Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.